Remove the tweeter. Unscrew and remove the front door panel. Disconnect the wiring harness inside the door panel. Unscrew and remove the inner door panel. Unscrew the door glass bracket screws. Remove the glass. Remove the ceiling plugs. Disconnect the original door handle connector. Unscrew the fixing screws. Remove the original door handle. Detach the sensor from the original door handle. Prepare our door handle products. Attach the removed sensor to our door handle. Install our door handles in the original position. Tighten the fixing screws. Reconnect the plug. Disconnect the door lock plug. Use the harness for conversion. Connect the harness to the original door lock for conversion. Unscrew the rear door panel screws. Remove the rear door panel. Remove the ceiling plugs. Adjust the glass position to expose the screw holes. Disconnect all connectors on the door panel. Remove the ceiling strips. Unscrew the glass bracket screws. Remove the glass. Unscrew the inner door panel screws. Remove the partition. Remove the ceiling plugs. Disconnect the door handle connector. Unscrew the door handle screws. Remove the door handle. Detach the sensor from the original door handle. Prepare our door handle products. Attach the removed sensor to our door handle. Reinstall the door handle. Tighten all fixing screws. Reconnect the door handle plug. Remove the door lock. Connect the door lock plug. Use the harness for conversion on the door lock. Reinstall the inner door partition. Remove the passenger side weather strip. Priya opens the passenger side interior trim panel. Pry out the clips at the location shown on the passenger side video. Remove the passenger side door sill trim. Remove the trim below the glove box. Disconnect the passenger side footwell light. Disconnect the passenger side glove box speaker. Open the frunk. Remove the various trim panels and components of the frunk. Get the wire feeder ready. Locate the wiring position as shown in the video. Cut off the soft rubber seal and find the wiring holes. Push the wire feeder into the wiring hole. Locate the push-to-in wire feeder and pull it. Prepare the accompanying wiring harness. Tie the wiring harness tightly to the wire puller with tape. Pulling the wire puller outside the car, bringing out the wiring harness. Untie the wiring harness from the wire puller. Connect the positive end of the wiring harness to a small battery for power. Remove the various trim panels and components of the frunk. Unscrew the securing screws and remove the storage box. Ground the negative end of the harness. Connect the wiring harness plugs and position the controller. Installation complete.